this video, we're talking decking. We're going to show you how to install Arbor Wood's thermally modified wood decking with a hidden clip system. We have Max here from Lago & Builders. Let's check it out.
Hey, so we're here with Arbor Wood's true 5/4 thermally modified ash decking. It finishes at a true 1 inch after it's milled, and it is milled specifically to work with the DeckWise ExtremeKD clip fastening system. It's a 1/4 inch space fastening system. Here in this mock-up, what we have is a very, very basic frame. So this isn't indicative of a true deck frame by any means, a freestanding or attached frame, but it's here for illustrative purposes to show how these connect. And on this frame, we also have Vicor Plus over what would be a rim and a joist. That's a water-resistant barrier. It's important to put that on top of a deck frame, a treated deck frame or any other deck frame, to keep standing water from saturating the top of the joists. And then of course, you would have proper metal fastening, hanger clips, whatever an engineer specifies in the connections. To fasten these boards, it's quite simple. They're milled with a groove on either side. And we've got these spacers that come with the ExtremeKD clips. And we simply orient a clip into the groove, make a connection, flush out the board. I like to use these spacers just to keep things properly oriented. And we can just drive a finish screw right down into a deck joist. And that follows for all deck joists. An important thing to mention is that there are times in which you need a surface fastener, a face fastener. Often that's a starting row or a finishing row. Same thing applies. Thermally modified is very hard and very resilient, so it'd be a good idea to drill a pilot hole before you drive your fastener. So there we have it, simple installation of Arbor Wood's clip fastened decking product. They also supply an array of thermally modified products for decking, skirting, stair treads out of dimensional lumber as well, and links to the products below.